Hello बच्चों, let's have a look at this question which says which of the following charges can exist on an oil drop. तो options में हमें कुछ values provided हैं and we have to figure out which value of charge can exist on an oil drop. The key concept here is quantization of charge. क्वांटाइजेशन ऑफ चार्ज का क्या मतलब होता है? इट मीन्स दैट द चार्ज can have only some discrete values. It means that the object charge should be the integral multiple of elementary charge. Okay, elementary charge क्या है? It is the charge on the electron. Okay, तो किसी ऑब्जेक्ट पे जो ऑब्जर्व्ड चार्ज है वो वही वैल्यूज हो सकती हैं जो कि एलिमेंट्री चार्ज की इंटीग्रल वैल्यूज हो. इसको हम इक्वेशन फॉर्म में कैसे लिख सकते हैं? इट is Q is equal to NE or N is equal to Q by E. Okay. Where Q is the charge on the object, elementary charge that is E negative is 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. क्वांटाइजेशन ऑफ चार्ज का मतलब है कि ये n वैल्यू है, इट शुड बी इंटीग्रल वैल्यू ऑफ E. देखिए, अब हम ऑप्शंस में देख लेते हैं कि कौन सी वैल्यूज इंटीग्रल वैल्यूज हैं ऑफ कूलम्ब ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉनिक चार्ज. तो फर्स्ट ऑप्शन देख लेते हैं. n is equal to q by e which is 3.2 into 10 to the power minus 19 divided by 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 in coulombs. This value comes out to be 2. तो ये इंटीग्रल वैल्यू है इलेक्ट्रॉनिक चार्ज की, तो ये चार्ज एग्जिस्ट कर सकता है. सेकेंड वैल्यू इज 8.3. it is 8.3 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb into 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19. It comes out to be 5.18. Okay, तो ये is not an integral value, तो ये charge exist नहीं कर सकता. Now the third value is 9.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 divided by 1.6 this is 6. तो ये भी exist कर सकता है. Now the last option is equal to 4.8 into 10 to the power minus 19 divided by the charge on the electron 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. This value is 3. तो ये भी exist कर सकता है. Okay. So according to quantization of charge, the values of A, C and D can exist on an oil drop. Okay. So all these values 1, 3rd and 4th can exist on an oil drop. I hope you understood it well. Thank you and best of luck.